Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another FX Setup Financial Markets video update. My name is Damian Geitsch from good old Germany, and it's meanwhile Thursday, the 11th April 2013, 21:07 Central European Time. I'm choosing tonight or this evening European time the gold here, the gold spot price. And meanwhile, we are trading around about 1563 exactly 0.22, and we see here 50-minute chart. We've got here something like perhaps maybe something like a reversal, but gold is still midterm view under pressure. But perhaps we could have, or it might be, perhaps here prices above 1540, 1560. Maybe we will have here something like a midterm reversal. Here last week I created here, tried here to catch up prices around about 1540 in my German financial markets edition. And aftermap it works, and of course here this 5-minute this line we can delete. It was based on a 5-minute line chart. Here on a 50-minute chart we see it much better. We created here, we break up here above these prices. We raised up and fall here back. Here even at this target, so it seems like that we can here, how do you say in English, fished up here lower prices around about 1560 and 1550. Could be here a great re-entry setup to play the long side in gold or to trade gold on the long side. However, I want to give you here a concrete technical analysis. Here we see the highs of March at 1616, and here the highs in April here at 1603, and we've got here this trend. So all in all, this trend line should be the target. So we should, for all bulls, I would prefer the bull side. That should be the target that we see next week. Prices above even 1518. So 80. So what's speaking for the bulls is here. We've got here the sell-off here on 4th April, and we've got here this bigger volume also trend. So perhaps that was the intention of the speculation last week. Here a little bit sell-off at this price area. And then here this great rebound. And yes, here were the, how do you say in English, resistance lines, the target lines, and now here we've got here support lines. So perhaps we create A, B, C, and then create next week D, and trade it or try to come back here for all gold bulls to get back at prices around about 1600. So technically, on a short-term view, for today, for this night, for Friday session or perhaps Monday session too, important is here also this line for bulls 1576.35. We created here something like on top, here creating something like on top, and fall here back here on the support line. From the technical point of view, if we go into detail of the development of this week, we see here we've got here this triangle here, even above prices here, even around about the 1566 area. We tried to break out here, but we failed. We come back, and here we created in today's trading session this morning here throughout Europe, we fall here back, created, or yesterday it was, yesterday, we fall here in European session down, created yesterday US session, today's European session, today's Asia, European and US session, we tried here slightly or shy to come, to play still the long side. So I would still, all in all, if we put all these technical things together, I would still prefer the long side here. Perhaps we will get or see prices throughout Asia here between 1500 and 1550 and 1560. So that could be or would be a great buy area. Yes, buy area. Here we see the closing of this week. The closing of this week. So perhaps we could catch in the next 24 hours until the end of the week here the gold price between 1550 and 5060. So, and next week we should try for all bulls to break the 1580 area, and our next week then 1600. That should be or that could be a great entry, as I said before, or tried it to explain A, B, C, D. Okay, that would be the Goldilocks scenario. However, we will see what will happen. So take care, stay aware, trade with me, and stay green.